I finally got my dream truck, van, I don't know. Y'all come check it out. What should we call it? The mini pussy wagon? Bad motherfucker. That's 12, but we keep it clean. I just left the intros on that bad boy. So vamos a cortarle esa vuelta y se la vamos a pegar allá en la cabina. Sí, es el molde.
Vamos para allá.
So, ese pedazo lo vamos a soldar ahí, ¿verdad? Ya.
Está chingón. O sea que
So,
bodywork bien perrón acá.
yeah, voy a ataquearlo y luego hacerle bodywork allí. Vamos a tener que correr el empaque güey, que corre aquí.
Sí, vamos a hacerlo con metal y todo, y ya el último tantito bodywork fibra. Yeah. Pero ese mismo jale que vamos a hacer al otro lado ya.
Yeah.
Discos patrón emergentes.
A ver, güey.
Este pedazo vamos a pegar ahí.
Este va a ir soldado. Todo ahí. Este is going to be part of the body now. This piece right here. All right. So that piece has to stay. Ese pedazo tiene que quedar ahí.
Bueno, pero hay que cortar adentro todavía. Sí. Vamos a ver si.
Dale, para que salga. Que sale. Sí.
El pedazo se va a quedar ahí puesto.
So ahí está. Now the door opens. Abre la puerta, güey. Dale, ahí está. Now we got space. Unas 3 pulgadas más para que entre el body, man. Ahí está.
Hasta abre más fácil ya, ¿no?
Sí.
Así la dejamos. Es que se mete el aire.
Ya.
Hasta una vez voy a quitar para drenar y
soldarle ahí. What's up, guys? So we got all the tires in. We got the wheels mounted. So we're about to head to the tire shop, G's Tire Shop across the street, to put the intros on this bad boy. So let's go across the street. Let's get there. Off for have to do a little 2-inch lift in the front because my rub. We don't know yet. We're about to find out right now. And I think we got the where the door didn't open. We figured it out. Voy a show you ahí. Vamos a meter los pinches rines a la mamalona esta para irla alistando. Por si se nos hace ir para Vegas, nos lo vamos a llevar para andar dando la vuelta allá. Porque está media confundida, ok. Cambio. Pinche aire mamalón. Vamos a poner los rines. What I had to do, so I go get them doors to open. I'll show you a little bit how it's gonna work. Gotta shave a little bit. It won't turn all the way, but I'm about to lift it 2 inches and do a little leveling kit on it, and I'll probably shave a little bit in there, but it looks good. It looks weird though. It's a bad motherfucker right here. So drop a comment, guys, see what you think about the little minivan. I'm gonna show you what I got with the 4-door and the single cab I got too. They're all gonna have intros. Let's go right around. AC blowing cold in this bitch. What's up, guys? So it's Saturday morning. We're getting ready to go to Freddy LSX event. Just finishing up a little stuff on the little Whataburger truck, and then we'll start heading out that way. So let's go see how Freddy's LSX event is. I think it's more about racing, but we're still gonna go out there and show the Coca-Cola, the little Tiff, and the little orange Whataburger truck. So y'all comment, guys, see what you think about this little mini truck, and stay tuned for the next one. It's gonna be that purple one. That one's next. So let's get this thing ready to get out of here and get to Freddy LSX. What burger do you like, Daryl?
Huh?
You like the water chicken, huh? I should have put water chicken instead.
Oh, yeah, you should have put water chicken. I don't know why you got water bun. The hell you do with water bun?
Don, you think we're gonna make it all the way over there?
We better make it. Are you driving on the wrong side of the road? I'm turning to the black Japanese.
Stone, that shit don't say Whataburger. What do you say?
Oh shit, Whataburger or water bun? Something.
Ready. We're about to go to Freddy's, but I had to come get the sticker on the front windshield and this one on the back windshield. So check out my boy. I'm gonna tag him. It'll be, his name will be here below. So check it out, Whataburger Jr. Stone talking about put a water chicken. Ain't no water goddamn chicken. Whataburger Jr. Bad motherfucking sign right there. God damn, man. We're trying to get to Freddy's, and this motherfucker don't run. It only does like 4 look good though, shit. Right, Daryl?
Look good,
Fucking Whataburger Jr. on wheels, nigga.
but then they in Japan. That's why it's so slow. If it was in Japan, it'd be flying. Woo.
We'll get there, Daryl.
I'm telling you. But it's on the way, okay? Hey, look at the parade.
Hey, your dad outdid himself with that motherfucker right there.
invest somewhere in South Houston. Or live in Baytown. Bay, it's like 40 minutes. Esta madre no corre más de como 50 chaps out, pero va batallando, compadre. Ahí no subimos el puente.
Bájale el clima, apágale el clima.
Apago el aire. I hope this thing makes it over the bridge, man. As long as I can cross the bridge, we're good. We can get on it. Está bueno, güey.
Ahora.
Ya perdió fuerza, compadre. Perseguir. No lo ubicamos, dale, dale. Vamos a ver cuánto lo podemos levantar de bajada. Va agarrando vuelo, va agarrando vuelo.
Y agarro vuelo,
Agarrando vuelo la verga. Ahora. Agárrese, culero. Look at the speedometer. ¿Lo veo, güey? Ya comenzó a temblar a la verga.
el motor, güey, como va, güey. Lo jale.
Ahora sí.
Mira, güey. Ahí vamos, ya vamos pegándole así. Oye. So pinche madre, me quedó más recio que corrió esta madre.
Va a tronar esta
So pinche, well, we made it. From here, I'm gonna take Spencer, so it's about like a 30 mile an hour. Oh, we'll be good. Cruise by Whataburger, so you can see a little Whataburger Jr. Verga, es buen güey, güey.
Va 5.
Whataburger Mobile.
Alright guys, we're here at a Soho Taco Town meet. We're gonna walk around and show you what they got going on here.
We finally made it to South Houston, Texas. The minivan made it. Hopefully we can make it back. And it's kind of slow. Our only issue was going up the bridge, but we made it here. So, guys, if anybody want to purchase a shirt from the Coca-Cola, I got a shirt from the Yellow Dually. Go to GoTrends.com. Also, there's a lot of variety of shirts you can buy. Y'all see them all, guys? Coca-Cola truck is only going to be shirt based, and so I'll get my new design under my store. So shop at GoTrends.com if y'all want to show. So also, guys, hopefully y'all like this video. I'm gonna show you the whole build. We'll start doing more videos of the other builds we got coming up next week.
Capping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut dope like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego.
Hey, hit the back, bro, hit the back.
another video next week, and stay tuned for our next build. We will be posting another video maybe Wednesday or Friday. And guys, I read all the comments from the last video I did. I appreciate the love. Thank you guys, and we are gonna keep motivating. I'm gonna start doing my store online so I can buy my merch, and hopefully I can give you a giveaway. So stay tuned for the next build, and thank you guys. Muchas gracias a toda la raza. Leí todos los comentarios, puro comentario positivo. Se les agradece y pues nos vemos en el otro video. Y ojalá que pronto ya voy a tener una tienda en línea que para que puedan comprar mercancías, camisas. A lo mejor voy a hacer una camisa con la cara del Devil, no sé. Pero se los agradece mucho. Muchas gracias y nos veremos en la próxima.